Hello everyone, this is Bisnetplus here with today again. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video. So guys, I quickly want to show you something beautiful on this setup. Okay, so and I would just want you guys to relax and watch me as I will explain the strategy. Then after that, I'm gonna show you the setup. So we have been trading boom and crash for a while, and this is V75 index. I know a lot of you have been asking if it's only boom and crash that I've been trading, and I just quickly want to show you this and what is working perfectly for volatility 75 index. So guys, we are on M5 time frame. Alright, so we are on M5 time frame. Now this is what I do. This is what I do most of the time is I will firstly check on the trend movement. Okay guys, which the trend movement is telling us is a downtrend. Okay, and before I go further guys, this is just for demonstration purposes. Just try you text everything on your demo account, and if it's working fine for you or till you understand fully exactly how to apply this setup, then you can go for it. Okay, so guys, we have the setup for RSI and CCI. Now the first thing, as I've been saying, is you have to check the trend direction. So guys, before I proceed, before I go further, I just want you to click, just smash the subscribe button if you're a newcomer on this channel, and also if you have been here for a while, I just want you to comment, leave your comment in the comment section below should you don't understand or you have a question to ask, so I'll be able to attend to you. And also you can check the description to join the Telegram for free signals, free powerful signals. And we've been doing mentorship, free mentorship for a while now, so if you're also interested in that, I'm gonna drop the promo for that. All right, so if you are available, you can just join. So guys, let me continue with what I've been saying here. So for the volatility 75 index, we have a sell, right, and which it has been going in a sell direction for a while. Okay, you see, so it has been going in sell direction for a while, and as you can see, it's still going down. Remember, I picked this signal on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now like I've been saying, you check the trend movement, which is going downtrend first, eye, and if it's going uptrend, there are some conditions that you have to meet before you open any position for this. Okay, so guys, we have checked for the downtrend, which is going in a downtrend movement. Then the next thing you have to look at on this indicator is you have to check for these numbers here. You see, we have 100, we have 85, we have minus 100 here, and then we also have 15 here. All right, so now I just want you to look at what we also have in here. All right, when this line for the CCI has gone above 85, what you need to do is you let it cross below 85 before you go in for any trade. Okay, you let it cross below 85 before you go in for any trade, and when it gets to 15, what you do is you take a profit. So this is very good for scalpers. All right, it's very good for scalpers. And the time frame you choose to trade the signal with the setup, the time frame you choose to trade the setup will determine on how long you're gonna stay on this. All right, it's working for any time frame, but mind you, it's very good for smaller time frame. So when it gets to 15, you take a profit. All right, and you can see it has been going well for a while. Remember, in the previous video I said something about triple top. All right, so if you have not watched that video, you can check the video before this, then you go and watch the video so that you'll be able to combine knowledge. All right, so you can see it has been going in profit for a while now. See, so this is sniping entry. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let me just show you the setup for this. Now you click on the F symbol if you want to set this up. You click on the F symbol, then you can see you go to relative strength index, which is this. You can see the period we're using for relative strength index is one as seen on the screen, apply to close. But one thing about this is just that we don't need the period, we don't need to talk much on this. We just have to like check on the levels. All right, we only need the levels, which is 15 and 85, or 85 and 15. All right, and for the time frames, you can apply it to all time frames, which is very good. Then after when you've done, you click on um after when you're done, you click on done. Yeah, I thought I want to make mistake. So when you are ready, you click on, after when you have completed the setup, you just click on done. But let me show you something here. You must make sure that under the style, make sure you're giving of your background, or the background of your screen, which is the background here, is white. That's why I give it white background. Okay, you see it's white here. So this is totally useless, because when you give it the color of your the background of your screen, it's gonna fade away. All right, so we don't need that. All right, so now let's go back. After when you're done here, you click on done, then we go to hard. Under this indicator window one, you click on the F plus sign, then we are going to look for commodity. You see, you look for the commodity channel index here, which is the CCI. Then this is the setup for the CCI. You can see the period 14, and also we apply to typical price, which is HLC 4/3. All right, then the style should not be the color of your background. You give it a color, all right, which is this, which is the color that we'll be having on the screen here. Okay, you see this is the color of the screen. Then after that, then we go to the level, but don't make mistake at this level. Make sure your setting is as this. All right, so it's minus 100 first, then you click on the plus sign to add another description, then you add 100, no minus. All right, then you go back, then you click on done. All right, and you can also check this, but this is everything here has been checked on default, so you don't need to bother much about this. Then you click on done. When you're done, then you go back, you see what we're having here. Okay, so that's when you can be scalping through. All right, you see it has gone below this 100 and it's approaching 15 point. So when it gets to 15, we're just gonna close. But if you're not too greedy, all right, because it has been over 5 minutes now that it has been running in profit, you can just take your profit. Then you have a very good rate. So guys, this is just how this powerful strategy is working. So guys, I will implore you to test it out on your demo account first before you go on your real account. Still, you're able to work on this perfectly. All right, so every setup that I'm dropping on this channel, test that on your demo account, and if it's working perfectly, if you have grabbed it very well, then you can go using it on your real account. So everything is tested, and as you can see, this is live example of exactly what we're doing. So guys, remember, you can check the description to join the Telegram channel. All right, and also if you're interested in mentorship or you want VIP signals, you can just chat me up at Bisnetplus CEO. All right, so the name of the channel is Bisnetplus FS Academy. All right, so guys, I'll be waiting for you in the Telegram channel. Stay blessed. Bye bye.